Hi guys! Okay, I'm jumping on because I'm going to have a quick conversation about phototoxicity. And essential oils. As many of you may know, there is an article that's floating around the internet that's got these really dramatic pictures of a girl who had some severe chemical burns and blistering from using essential oils, and she claims to have used doTERRA's essential oils. First thing, I'm going to explain what is phototoxicity. So phototoxicity occurs from the citrus line of the essential oils, okay? And what causes it is this chemical compound called furanocuramines. I may or may not be saying that right. And that can cause pigmentation. It can also make you a lot more sensitive and susceptible to the UVA and UVB rays. The girl in the article was at, I believe, a hot yoga class and then attended a tanning salon. So we know that she exposed herself to some simulated rays that would have created the reaction that she got. Now, the reaction that she got is quite severe. I haven't seen anything like that, so I kind of wonder what else happened with her. Mind you, I haven't seen a lot of people react to things with phototoxicity because we generally follow the cautions that are on the bottle or listen to the company. So now some of you have questions like, is this a doTERRA specific thing? So just to clarify, she's claiming to have used doTERRA essential oils, so it's very possible that that happened. A pure essential oil that is of citrus that has the furanocuramines in it will induce a reaction like that. That would be a sign of a pure actual oil. Now, if she had used, let's say, 1 drop and diluted it, would she still get the same reaction? Likely yes. It only takes a very small amount. So if you're going to the store and buying, let's say, your knockoff brand that's got maybe 1 drop of real essential oil in it and it's got 300 drops of some other carrot oil in it, it's still very possible that you could have a photosensitive reaction to it. Now, if you're used to using a citrus oil that is not doTERRA and you've been out in the sun, chances are you're not using an actual essential oil. So that would be almost one of the ways that you would know the difference, but I wouldn't suggest trying it out that way. If you're using a citrus oil by any brand, please avoid the sun for at least 12 hours. Now, if you go on to doTERRA's website, there are warnings on there that say not to use the essential oil for 12 hours before going in the sun. Here's a bottle of wild orange that some people are speculating that she used. And right here on the bottle, it says avoid sunlight or UV rays for up to 12 hours after applying the product. So there are lots of warnings out there to suggest that essential oils are phototoxic. Essential oils are super powerful. We need to respect the power that they have and use caution with it. These are still natural chemical compounds found in nature, but just because it's natural doesn't mean it's 100% safe if it's used inappropriately or ineffectively. So that's something to consider. Now, some people say, some people have questions like, does this same phototoxicity occur when you're ingesting an essential oil? So the science on that is really mixed. But I'm going to suggest that probably some level of phototoxicity may exist. I doubt you would blister like the girl did in the video, but it might increase your chances of getting a sunburn or having brown marks, like the pigmentation from it. So I would suggest that if you are a person who ingests the citrus oils, that maybe just avoid the sun so that you don't have to worry about this. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't use the essential oils. There are lots of benefits to using them aromatically. So instead of applying them topically, maybe try, or ingesting them, maybe try just using diffusion. Diffusion won't have that same effect for you. Now, with all that being said, I think I covered all the questions, but oh, and then the last part is there's a little bit of, with doTERRA being a network marketing company, we get harshly judged a lot by people who believe that we're not sharing enough safe standards or enough education or information. So just a little food for thought. If this same girl had gone out and, let's say, bought some knockoff brand at your local Shoppers Drug Mart or whatever, and it did happen to have a few drops in it, and she had the exact same reaction, would these same people believe that we should go to those stores and give them all kinds of trouble for not educating her on proper use? I mean, essential oils, as much as we're a network marketing company and we do provide a person to contact, like myself, if you enroll in essential oils, you have personal contact with me, somebody who's also studied aromatherapy, so I have a little bit of an edge in that sense. But I can educate you and guide you on safe usage of things. But not only that, there's unlimited amounts of resources. There are books, every book that has citrus oils in it says that it's phototoxic. So do we need to come down on doTERRA, the company, for it? Or should this really be, you know, a buyer beware, or consumer education and research is really important when we're using something so powerful and potent? So just remember that, you know, just because it's natural doesn't necessarily mean that it's safe. If you're not respecting it and using it properly and safely, then there's a good chance that you're going to end up with a bad reaction. So anyways, that's all I've got on phototoxicity. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. I don't view this article as a bad thing. In fact, I actually think it's a really good education piece to help people learn how to be safe and careful with your oils, and educate yourself, research, look this stuff up, ask the questions, talk to your upline, like, you know, connect with me, okay? All right, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Take care. Bye.